Hey there, iPhone fans, heard the buzz? Rumors are swirling about the iPhone SE4, and it looks like Apple's cooking up something exciting. But what's the scoop, and when can we get our hands on it? So, let's rewind a bit. The iPhone SE 2022 landed earlier this year, adding 5G to the budget-friendly lineup. But here's the twist, it rocked the same old design as the 2020 model. But guess what? The new SE could be ready to shake things up. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo spilled the beans, saying Apple restarted work on the SE4 after a brief pause in 2022. But that delay might just be worth it, as it could bring an OLED display and an in-house 5G chip to the table. Patience, my friends. Now, what about the price tag? No word on that yet, but considering the current SE is a budget champ at $429, Apple might not want to mess with that winning formula. Now the juicy stuff, the screen. Rumor has it, it's getting a glow-up with a 6.1-inch OLED from BOE. That's a step up from the 4.7-incher we're used to, so expect a fresh look. Some say it might borrow the design of the 2018 iPhone XR, notch and all. Face ID might finally make an appearance, waving goodbye to Touch ID. Want to see how it might look? An artist named Ian Zelbo has got you covered with some sweet renders. Now, on to the tech bits. We're in familiar territory here. Apple typically borrows some features from its flagship models. So, we're talking about the A16 Bionic chip, the same powerhouse in the iPhone 15. Oh, and here's a spicy rumor. Apple's in-house 5G chip might debut in the SE. It's not the fastest, but it's tailor-made for Apple's lineup. Camera-wise, don't expect a triple lens setup. The SE has always been about keeping it simple, so it's likely sticking to one lens. But hey, it could be a 48-megapixel shooter, a big leap from the 12 megapixels norm. Get ready for better photos and zooming. As for storage, the SE might stick with 64 gigabytes, but we're crossing our fingers for an upgrade to 128 gigabytes. Lastly, don't count on wireless charging. Apple likes to keep its phones unique, and that's one way they're doing it. So there you have it, the lowdown on the iPhone SE4. Keep those ears to the ground, folks. Apple's got some tricks up its sleeve, and we're here for it. Until next time, stay tuned.